product manager at Optibelt, and today I'm unboxing a timing belt kit with water pump by Optibelt. Founded in 1872, Optibelt is one of the leading global manufacturers of high-performance V-belts, grip belts, timing belts, and a wide range of other products in different sectors. Headquarters of the family-run company is located in Höxter, Germany, where all belts are engineered. Our modern testing facilities and the central warehouse are also located here. Now let's have a look at the Optibelt timing belt kit with water pump. The spare parts are packed in a sturdy cardboard box with Optibelt design. The label includes important information about our product. In this case, the KT1445W1 kit. Shown is the drive layout in which manufacturer the kit is. Shows the parts, in this case consisting of 2 timing belts, 3 idlers and bearings and 1 water pump. Once we open the box, you will see the timing belts are packed separately from the pulleys. Looking closely at the belt, you can see the country of origin, the Optibelt article numbers, and other label information such as the prime mark. In the box you will also receive a timing belt replacement rewinder sticker. Looking further into the box, the pulleys are packed separately from each other in order to avoid damage when shipping. The water pump is packed in an additional box. Looking more closely at the metal components, you will see the high quality of the products. There were also directional arrows on the 2 tensioner pulleys to guarantee a correct installation. The water pump has its own label which shows the part number WP10. Components included in the kits are perfectly matched to each other and fit your engine perfectly. You will find the vehicle compatibility in every common information system or request from your Optibelt contact person. In addition to the Optibelt article number marking, the high quality workmanship can once again be seen. Find installation instructions in 8 languages. To reduce the risk of engine damage, we recommend replacing the belt, rollers, water pump in a single step. This way you avoid several possible workshop visits and save money. To see how you can benefit from our experience as an original OE manufacturer and ride specialist, please contact us at iam@optibelt.com or contact your local Optibelt representative.